Good morning, everybody. MrFlavorsmith here. I have some big news. I'm very excited to share. This video is a little different than my normal videos. Last night, I hit 1,000 subscribers. The channel hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to you guys. You guys have been absolutely awesome. We did it in 14 videos and 160 days. That's more than I would have ever imagined for. I didn't know when I started this little journey what was really to come of it. I didn't know what to expect. From day one, it's just been I've had so much fun with this, cooking things for you guys, showing you the way I like to do things and how I like to flavor stack stuff, and smoking and injecting and rubbing and marinating and everything. It's just been great. And then also, you know, what you guys have really liked was, and it shows in the views and the comments and the likes and everything, is all the products I use and the gear I use to do all this stuff. And so I just wanted to share it with you. I wanted to make a video of it. I'm up at my family's cabin in Tehachapi, California, this weekend, and it just happened to happen last night before I went to bed that I hit 1,000 subscribers. And the reason why I wanted to do it here is because my barbecue journey really started with my dad, and this 26-foot barbecue trailer myself and some family members and friends helped build for my dad. It really kind of, I would say, started there, but it didn't. You know, I've been in a barbecue since I was a little kid. When I was 10 years old, I got my hunting license, which is weird for a Southern California kid. I'd go out pheasant hunting with my dad. I'd go dove hunting, quail hunting, all the game that I would harvest, I would then bring home. I would clean it, and I'd throw it on the smoker. I'd throw it on the barbecue, and I would do all that myself. We had a little ranch, and I grew up on a little 20-acre ranch. I'd go shoot rabbits, and I'd field dress them and everything, and then I'd make like a combination of a couple different barbecue sauces and things, and I'd glaze them as I would barbecue them or smoke them or something. I was a real creative little guy. So that's where my journey started, and my dad played a major role and all of that and all the barbecue stuff. And so here where I'm at with the barbecue trailer, you know, my dad died in February 2020, right when COVID started. So he never got to see this completed and finished 100%. He got to see it to about 85, 90%, and that was it. And so moving forward, I want to kind of tell everybody what's going on, a little update with everything. My family and I, we've decided to turn this trailer into not the working trailer that my dad necessarily wanted so much to do barbecue events and things like that, but in my dad's honor and everything, and my mom too, she had a lot to play with this, my sister, we're going to turn this into a public charity barbecue system. That process is going to take us about 6 months to a year to get going, but the idea with that is that MrFlavorsmith is going to produce a bunch of flavorful, ready-to-go meals for people that need it. We're going to work with other charities and organizations that can help deliver that to the different places that need. It's something that I've always wanted to do. My 7-year-old son, Junior Flavorsmith, he's crazy about this idea. He's always wanted to give to the needy. He's got a big heart, and it's just something that I can really get behind, put in that extra effort and that extra time. It's just going to help my journey and everything I want to do. It allows me to do the humanitarian thing that I want to do by helping people. We're going to put this 26-foot barbecue trailer to work doing that in this upcoming year. Along with that, there's going to be a lot of cool barbecue content that I'm going to create for that as well. And so you guys are going to get an enjoyment, and you're going to be able to be a part of that journey side by side with us if you're following along to everything. Anyway, I just wanted to say, without you guys, I wouldn't have a channel. And you have been, I mean, a truly awesome group of followers. In my previous life, I was the vice president of an international sporting goods manufacturer. I had a huge global following, and I managed a forum for a long time. We just had a lot of followers, and I love them, and I miss not having that. And you guys have just been awesome. You're right there with everybody. It's been great. The interactions on the comments and everything you've said have just been amazing and very positive too. Like, I was expecting a lot of negative comments. I've only gotten a couple, and you know, I'm not a professional at this. I'm just a guy that's dedicated to flavor. I love cooking. I love sharing. And if I can share my story and anybody gets some sort of value out of that, whether it's an educational or entertainment, my job's complete. You know, I'm successful. I'm going to continue doing that. And we're going to take this to a lot of different levels. You're going to see I niche down to start this channel, we're going to open it up to a lot of different flavorful cooking things, flavorful cooking adventures. We're going to be doing stuff in the kitchen, interviewing other people and how they cook and all their different methods and ways and stories and journeys that they go through, different styles from Asian dishes to Mexican dishes to Italian dishes, whatever it is, anything where I can find flavor and we can manipulate it and twist it and just pack it full of flavor. I'm going to share that with you. Continue following along to this. You're going to love this ride. It is going to be a delicious one. And again, thank you so much for everything you guys have done. It's just been amazing. And I love you for it. Until next time, live a life of flavor.